Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this galvanized metal planter into a fancy little geode. I mixed up some Artworks resin and I put it in some cups with the colors that I wanted to use. This time I'm going to go with a dark navy blue and a turquoise. I added a bunch of glitter because, let's be honest, who doesn't like glitter? So before I recorded, I took some crushed glass and I glued it to the wood panel that's in the front of this planter, and I drizzled some clear resin over it and I let it dry overnight. Now that I have my colors mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and pour them around the crushed glass. I actually mixed up some white too, so that's what I'm doing now. Then I just take my popsicle stick and I smooth the resin out all the way to the edges of the wood and take my butane torch and quickly go back and forth to pop any of the air bubbles. I have these rainbow quartz points beads that I got at Michael's, and I'm just going around the edges of the crushed glass and sticking them on while the resin is still wet. A lot of times when you add glitter to your resin, when it dries, the glitter floats to the top and it creates kind of like a rough surface that's kind of dull looking. So what I did was I mixed up some more Artworks resin and I poured more on top of the first layer, and that way it gives it some depth and some shine. And this is it, all dry and untaped, and I put some succulents in it and hung it on the wall. Isn't it beautiful?